This 2025 Renegade Verona 40 VTS is a Super CRV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Renegade Verona 40 VTS is built on a Freightliner M2-106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.